Kena school ka Jyotis Road School haka khat sau tri unai wing arja apply kila mynsiem ki nongwan saki ya ka jingple perda ya ka literary festival lani ka tamasa ka tho ka pule dak batam bat roi pertho ya ka jingrwai ka bakerteng Halleluiah bala roi da Leonard Cohen ka mynsiem ka long ba kini khna na ka ka school ki de ki badan jing duna ki dkhot man henry da ka jing IT load bat ka jing plate jing mut jongki kilala ban penwan dor ya ki jing put jing tam bat roi ru da ka sur ka ba shop mynsiem Hakadi kasngi ka bade kata kasngi kerpang ka bakari India ka rakhe kan mau buram kum kasngi ki khanna lani ka Children's Day bat ka sarkar jala leng ba ka tanat tourism haba punlong ki ka tamasa kala punlong ru ya ki program kerpang na ka banta ki khanna ya ka tamasa la ple do menteri ka tanat kam junga ka perthayu ba polling do haringkat ka jinga don lang ka menteri junga tanat ka koi ka khia ka kong amperin ling do ki khanna pat ki samla puli na keleng ki jaga puli ka nongba Shillong bat ki we Hakadi kasngi ka Nan Polok kala dap dak jing penriam itanat ki stol beper ban kringi ki nong wan sangkai ban saki ya ka tamasa ka batmu ban kentiu ya ka rukom ya thokana ka thokana ka put ka tem bat ki we
Today we have the MGMP, the Meghalaya Mega Project, Music Project, which is organizing programs on a daily basis to encourage and facilitate a platform for our young stars who are so extremely gifted, as you could see by yourself, who are extremely gifted in the arts and for whom music flows in our veins and is part of our DNA. Therefore, the state government has come forward in a manner that has never been done before. We have announced the creation of cinema halls in all the district headquarters, which hopefully we will be able to accomplish before 2028. We are partnering now with the top artists of the world, artists who have come forward to take our Cherry Blossoms Festival to a different level altogether. It is not about just tourism alone. It is also about affording an opportunity for our young people to rub shoulders with the best in the world. And I'm happy to inform you that quite a few of them have been able to collaborate, to get introduced to international music organizers, and some of them have also been roped in by these major brands in Asia to begin with. The Khasi textiles have gone to Milan, the fashion capital of the world. Our products, our turmeric has gone global. Therefore, it is not such a situation filled with doom and gloom. We only have to see that there are silver linings at the end of the rainbows or the clouds.